And hi, I'm Max Fowler. This is my brother / Cat Slam. And you might not know us, but this is our very first video. And guess what? We are doing cat workouts. So in the end, Slam will eventually do some working out. But for now, let's just see what happens. Like this.
Yeah, you can do it. It's like lifting a paperweight. Oh, neck rotation's a good idea. That's nice. That's good. Oh, yeah, that's it. Plank. Do the plank. Do the plank, Slam. Do the plank. Don't know if it counts as a plank, but okay.